How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie, published by Simon & Schuster in 1936. This is one of the first best-selling motivational books with more than 16 million copies sold worldwide. You would be wrong if you think that this book is meant only for students, entrepreneurs, or working professionals, because the book is as good and applicable to a homemaker as it would be for a professional. My theory about the books says that a good book can be defined in two ways. One that has everything for someone, or the one that has something for everyone. Now this book belongs to the latter category because it has more than something for everyone. It is divided into 6 major sections, with all of them focusing upon the central theme of the book, that is how to create harmonious and workable relationships. The book revolves around a simple idea that people do things only when they really want to do them, which is driven by their own personal motives. It aims to equip the reader to be able to identify the motive for someone to do something. It focuses on creating an ability within the reader to get things done through understanding of human psychology and effective relationship building. It also helps you in abating your anger, thus creating a more refined thought process in order to inculcate a remedial approach. All the things suggested in the book are explained through highly entertaining real-life examples and are highly identifiable as well as applicable. The language of the book is highly comprehensible, and the book simply invokes a thought process which is based on logic, empathy, and mutual respect and admiration. Highly recommended as a must-read for everyone. Thank you.